cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain, no thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone tryna.
I don't know about y'all.
You know how long these niggas gonna run?
Yeah, that's what I say. Let's do half.
Wait.
Why is he checking up?
Alright, bet. That's me.
Bro, you're not PG, bro. Get your big self down there. Nah, you good, bro. Just get down there. You and Cam, y'all twins. Y'all just stay over there.
Alright, guard who guards you?
Yeah, somebody better guard him. Who you guarding him, bro? The floor kind of slippery. I'll guard him. I want him. Then you guard BJ.
Shoot the ball! Shoot! Oh my
I'm over here. Ain't nobody in the paint. They all 5 out. What are we doing?
All guard. Get the ball. Here.
Niggas say get the ball. You look like it. I believe it.
He don't know you. Oh yeah!
Nah, he did cross me earlier, bro. I'm like, wait a second. Oh, that's off. Oh yeah, Cam. Oh, that's oh, good tips. Balls.
Hey, trust me, you good, bro. Those are threes? Hey, David, trust me, you good, bro. You got 5. Sorry, go ahead.
Whose man is that? Oh, that's Cam. You're not like that. Hey, step up. That would have been crazy. Heard you.
Look, I know that hurt.
Bro, chill. Oh my God. Okay. That's you. I should have brought a tripod. That's 7 zip. I hit it. Oh, we're going 1s and 2s. 4. Cause I hit it 2 and then we got 4 zip, 1s and 2s. We're going to 15. 15 by 2. Makers at 6. Damn.
Good dig.
Where? Hey, no, he was there for the most part. It's just a couple hezzies later, he was gone.
Ball in. Left.
Right here. Oh, pull that. Yeah, he like that. Wow.
He what up?
Oh yeah, ball. We good. That's crazy. Bigfoot ass nigga. Come on, KD. I should have got a tripod, honestly. This is too much moving around. Oh. Hey, he missed, bro. Don't worry about it. Selfish. Oh yeah. Who on ball? I got ball. Don't shoot that. Why? You camera shy. That's a nice move. Watch out, back up, back up. Huh? Okay, we're gonna eat right now, go. Good hit. That's 6. Oh, okay, okay. I said at. Yeah. That's us, yes. There's a screen on the backside. Good hit. I told you. I'm trying to help you.
Late hell, bro.
What you mean late? I told you.
Bro. Come on.
Get tired of that. 9?
You didn't have to, bro.
I'm about to say. Yeah, you lucky this sport slippery. Oh, good hit, baby. Yes, sir. 11.
Oh my God, we got a deal.
You got it? Too many passes, bro. Put it up. That's not us?
I don't know, they said it's off the stage.
You know who you remind me of? DeJounte Murray. I don't know, you just move like that nigga. Oh, really? Nice. Woo! Go through, go through, go through. You good, you good? Bro didn't even see the ball coming. I'm over here in the corner. By yourself, by yourself. Go top, Devin, go top, Devin. Hit that. Hey! Oh. By yourself, by yourself.
I'm going to do that.
All right. All these big niggas coming for the screen. Oh. Ball, 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 ball.
Yeah. You know you about to just don't look.
Where? 13. What's it called? Game point.
He already called it.
Cam called it. Oh yeah. Stay right here, bro. Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here, bro. Stay right here. Oh! Cutter, cutter, cutter. Heard you. Nice. 14. That's them. Oh, no. We call game point, huh?
Hey, you here.
That's you, baby. Bro, go all the way outside the paint. Hold up.
By yourself.
Oh, he did not know that ball was. He did not know. He said, "Oh my God, a basketball?" Oh, it's falling. Nigga said FaceTime. Oh yeah, DeJounte, come out here. You know I only need one, right? Oh! Good pass, baby. Good game. I got that. Go across, go across, go across.
Not switching on.
Good hit. Stay on that side. Two zip. Oh yeah, pull up. Oh yeah, pull up. Oh yeah, pull up. You like that. You like that. Yeah, we switching all those.
Hey. What's up?
There's difference in the logic. You don't want that.
Good shit.
Big ass. Okay, bro. That's his first bucket today? Yeah, that's why he got so hyped. That's why he got so hyped. That's his first bucket. Oh, my fault, bro.
Pass the ball. Pass the ball. That's good.
Good hit. Watch that ball. Watch that ball. I'm over here.
Again.
Ball. Pull that. Good hit. That's 4. Wait, who hit? Who hit it 2? Oh yeah, that's 6. He hit 2.
Reset 2 on 101.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Attack. You don't want no contact. Cut across. Right here. Good move. 7. Whose man is that? I'm in this corner. Yeah. Huh. There's a restroom over there. Go. Ball. Oh, good hit, Devin. Ball. Oh yeah, Devin. Oh yeah, Alejandro. Top. Oh! You good? I ain't seen you do that in a minute.
Niggas guard they man, that's still on active, bro.
That's 9?
Yeah.
Ball in. Pull that. Right here. 11. Oh, I thought that was gonna drip in. 13. Oh my God, back. Come back. Oh my God. Good rebound, bro, my fault. Damn, this nigga got long arms. Oh yeah, he like that. Ball. Oh, I'm here. Good hit, baby. Game point. Go ahead. What score? 13 what? I got ball. Check up.
Yo, he's a little ass boy. Hey, let me see that. I can see. Oh, bro, you gotta help that. Little ass boy. He passed me to. He's a little ass boy.
Hey, you gotta front him. Bro. Oh, my fault.
I got him.
That's game?
Damn.
Ball. Swing it. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, no. Yeah, it's out. That was out.
Oh, was it?
Well, we stopped anyway. It's okay. We had the ball. Ball in. Oh, yeah. I was about to say, hold up.
What?
Yeah, I think so. I think you, Oh, Zeke. Come on, bro. 5-13.
Hey!
Bro, pass the ball in faster. What are you doing? Hey, yo. Ah! Yeah, he touched that.
Oh, you touched it?
No, I'm saying, yeah, he didn't touch, yeah. Bumped in? That was a bump? That was a crash. You don't want that. I don't think you want it. Oh yeah, Devin, that's for game, baby. You don't got icy in veins, that's the problem.
I got you.
I'm over here. Oh, never mind, I'm back on DeJounte. Under. Oh, Devin, come on, dude. Devin, please. Back up top. Oh, I want it. Go ahead. Thank God. Who got next? I'm taking this shit off.
Thanks for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you don't agree with any of my takes, we can argue about it. Get on the podcast, get in the comments, whatever you want to do. You can subscribe to my channel right here. In this other corner, you should get with my TikTok and my Twitter. And in this corner right here, you can watch any more reaction videos, vlogs, or watch any more takes. Till then, see y'all. God bless.